So the father's age is equal to 6x plus 10 means 6 into 5 plus 10, okay, means 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40 years. So father's age is 40 years and daughter's age is 15 years. This is the question all about, okay. There are two more sample questions left for this, okay. We will discuss them. The question is ages of Kunal and Rajneesh are in the ratio 8:9, okay. 5 years hence, comma, remember students, after 5 years or 5 years hence the thing is same. So 5 years hence the ratio of their ages, will be 9:10, okay. Find their present age. Present ages, okay. So here already in the present tense we are given a statement. This statement is entirely there in the present tense, right? So presently their ages are in the ratio 8:9. So you may know this, that whenever ages are given in the ratios, okay, whether they're in the present, past or future, whichever tense it is, you need to write as let the ages of Kunal and Rajneesh be in the ratio not ratio, we are not writing the ratios, we are converting them into number, be 8x and 9x, okay, respectively. Respectively means 8 Kunal comes first, so 8x comes first, means 8x refers to Kunal's age, 9x refers to Rajneesh's age, okay. Now they are saying that 5 years hence, okay, after 5 years, okay. So we'll be writing here after 5 years, okay. What will be the age of Kunal? Kunal will be 8x plus 5 years, correct. And Rajneesh's age will be 9x plus 5 years. So after 5 years the ratio of their ages will be 9:10. So this is what their age is after 5 years. According to the question, Kunal's age by Rajneesh's age, okay, Kunal's and Rajneesh's age 5 years hence, the ratio of their ages means Kunal and Rajneesh will be 9:10, 9/10. So this implies, what was Kunal's age? Kunal's age was here after 5 years, we got 8x plus 5 by, what is Rajneesh's age? 9x plus 5 is equal to 9/10, which implies that this 10 will be multiplied with this, right? 10 multiplied by cross multiplication, 8x plus 5 is equal to 9 multiplied by with this 9x plus 5. which implies that 10 into 8x is 80x plus 10 into 5 is 50. 9 into 9 is 81x plus 9 into 5 is 45. Again, the variables on the left hand side and the constants on the right hand side will take. So 80x minus this transposition takes place of 81 is positive, becomes negative over here. 81x is equal to 45 plus 45. This plus 50 will go on that side, minus 50 it will become, right? So this is minus 1x is equal to minus 5, and so x is equal to 5. Since you got x equal to 5, now that they are asking you the present ages, so the present age was 8x and 9x, right? So the present age will be Kunal. 8x is equal to 8 into x value is 5. So 8 5s are 40 years. Kunal is 40 years and Rajneesh is 9x. So that means 9 into 5, which is equal to 45 years. Okay. So this is your answer. Okay. The next question is of the reverse type of whatever we have done till now. Okay, it's a kind of reverse. So what happens over here is, the question is Kunal is 11 years old, okay, and his sister Medha is 24 years old. Okay, now they're asking after how many years will Medha be twice as old as her brother. So here now they are not asking you their present ages and all, they are asking you that after how many years, means they have given a condition, and based on that in how many years this condition will be satisfied. So let's just solve the question. It's an easy one, no question is hard, all the questions are made to be solved. Kunal is 11 years old and his sister Medha is 24 years old, right? So Kunal, everything is given to you. Previously you needed to find, right, this, but now not this. This is given 11 years and Medha is 24 years old presently. Is given na? Is means it's a present age. So this is their present age. Okay. After how many years, comma. Okay. After how many years means let after x years. How many years means let after x years. So after x years, Kunal's age will be 11 plus x years, correct? And Medha's age will be 24 plus x years. Kunal's age will be 11 plus x and Medha's age will be 24 plus x years. So after how many years? Okay. What is the condition? Let's write the condition. Because we have taken let after x years, this condition will be satisfied. So let's write the condition. Medha be twice as old as her brother. So Medha's age should be twice as old as her brother, means 2 into the Kunal's age. So Medha is after x years, this 24 plus x is equal to 2 into Kunal's age, 11 plus x. So let's solve it. 24 plus x is equal to 2 into 11 is 22 plus 2x. All the constants on one side and the variables on one side. See students, here, if you are taking this 2x on this side, it will become minus 2x. Okay. X minus 2x is minus 1.